现在我们在
情人谷瀑布。
and I just met this guy. What's your name?
My name's Jay.
Jay. And I looked at Jay here and I'm like, this guy is a healthy, muscular guy. And I wonder, how long have you been training for?
Maybe 10 years.
10 years. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have some motivation for people who want to become bigger, become healthier? What is your motivation like?
I think you have care for your diet.
Yeah. Okay. So
and-
you eat healthy.
Yes. And you will care for your life. You need to have enough sleep.
Yes.
You know, everyone people almost is not have enough sleep.
So sleep is like one of the big ones,
Yes,
right?
it's the bigger
So
one. And the two is the nutrition.
Okay.
The three is the workout training.
Okay. The training, sleep, nutrition.
Yes.
And what time do you go to bed?
What time you go to bed?
Yeah. What time do you go to sleep?
Almost is 12 o'clock.
Ah! He said, watch your sleep. He goes to bed at 12
Yes.
o'clock. But you need to enjoy your life, right?
No, because my work, I need my work is to do sell insurance.
Oh.
So I need to
I know.
you
Yeah.
know it.
Stress.
Yes.
And maybe your free time is at night, right?
Yes.
So how old are you?
I'm 31.
Oh, you look good, man. I think I would say like 22, 23. 31.
Thank you
okay.
very much.
So, no pain, no gain.
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Well,
brother.
I see you. I feel inspired. So,
Yeah.
because I am healthy, but I want to get more muscle though. So,
Oh, okay. Not only me and you. Everyone need to get
Yeah.
more muscle.
because when you get older, you want to have muscle on your body so that you're not, very weak.
Yes.
All right, cool, brother. Well, thank you for that.
Thank you very much.
Cool. Nice. This waterfall is Kialiam, right?
Yes.
So straight down.
And
Yeah.
the upper has four waterfalls.
4.
Yeah, but this one is the biggest.
This is the biggest one. Oh. And how? What's your name?
I'm Bright.
Bright and Yuting. And we are at a waterfall. And where are you from, Bright?
I'm from Tanzania,
Tanzania.
in Africa.
Because this is Africa. I was thinking of like
Uh-huh.
Shakira. You
Yeah,
know,
Shakira, waka waka.
Yeah, I love that song.
Mira mira, waka waka.
So I wanna, how long have you been here?
I've been here for like 9 months now.
Okay, and question, what's your favorite Taiwanese food?
Oh, I like jibai.
Jibai, yeah.
Jibai fan.
Jibai fan. Okay.
很好吃。
Have you tried chou tofu?
Yeah, 对，臭豆腐。
Chihuahua, you like it?
对。
Oh, nice. Okay. And you're from Taiwan.
Yeah.
Have you tried African food?
No.
So you have to cook for your friends,
Of course.
right? And how do you feel about Taiwan now?
I think Taiwan is really nice. Cool. It's very peaceful out there. It's safe.
How do you feel about, you were just in the water. I want to get your friend over here. Are you feeling cold right now?
Yeah, we can go on. I'm even shivering.
Because they're from Africa, and it's actually not a warm day here right now. And I was saying, like, if you're from a tropical hot country,
This kind of condition.
yeah, they're not ready for this kind of. For me, I'm like, I'm Canadian. I'm like, give me some ice water. You know, it's okay. You know, like when I go to Costco, you know, I go into the cold refrigerator. You know, there, the cold, and I'm like, ah.
You're okay. Oh, now this is home.
Cool. Okay, and how long have you been in? What's your name?
My name is Nelson.
And how long have you been here?
The same as the bride.
9 months.
Like 9 months, yeah.
What is your favorite food in Taiwan?
I do like noodles.
Noodles. Okay.
Yeah.
You're studying Chinese, right?
Yeah, I'm taking Chinese one.
Okay, cool. So, say something to me, simple Chinese, simple sentence. How would you introduce yourself in Chinese?
Oh, okay. 我叫 Nelson， 英文名字 and 中文名字雷桑。
Cool.
我来自 Tanzania。我喜欢面。
啊，他喜欢面 ，OK。哦，不错 ，OK。你的国语很好。And can you give me a sentence in Chinese? Anything?
Oh, hello. 我叫布雷德。那我的英文名字是 Bright。我来自坦桑尼亚，我也1年级学生在长隆大学，台湾。我喜欢台湾。
Taiwan number one.
不要鬼。
Okay, I have made it to the bottom of the waterfall again. The last time I was here it rained, and luckily I was able to get to the top this time, not the very top, but the tallest waterfall, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. This waterfall is quite beautiful as well, but I thought it was pretty spectacular, and there were climbers coming down and everything. It was a fun little adventure. I met some interesting people. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. And I will see you tomorrow.